Hello, it is Kenny and Sam plus Jasper, and today we are taking a nice stroll through Mainz. If you get lost at all, there is a bathroom inside here. We decided to do the wine trail, so normally there would be some wine that we could try, but it's not really the season right now. Jasper's enjoying the fields and Kenny found some sort of lookout tower. Lots of little hidden Mickeys. I don't think these are supposed to be Mickeys, but they look like it. How's the view, bud? View is pretty nice from up here. We got a little bit off the trail, so we're gonna go back on now. You like the view? Nice walksies? Yeah? How about Treato? Oh yes, get that treat. This hike is a lot longer than we expected. Very long, the trail along the river so far. Now we are finally off that. We have one of these book pickups. All right, so we found this part of the trail. I'm really excited. Jasper wants to go. We don't know if he's gonna be able to do this though. He wants to go so bad. I know, you wanna follow Dad. He's trying. All right, Kenny's gonna carry Jasper because I'm too scared he's gonna get hurt. He is enjoying this. I bet.
No, in the middle, I was like,
hi! Did you get to go over? Kenny is like, I have to ride this. This looks so fun.
no, there you go. Go get her, buddy. Go get mama. Go get mama.
Hi. Whoa. He's like, oh gosh, Dad.
I know, he come flying down.
Okay.
He got so happy.
Yeah. Hydration time.
That's right, he likes the stream.
This little adventure park is great. This slide is so fast. That was really cool. And the bridge is over there, so it's a nice little break on the hike. I don't know if you can see, but there's a cross over there. And it says it was put there in 1750. I told Kenny on this hike there was a really cool tree we were going to see, and you can kind of see it in the distance there. We're walking up to it right now. So the boys are enjoying the view of the tree. Yeah, it's a pretty tree. It's all solar panels on the back of those green things up there.
Jasper, Jasper. Hey, up here. Up here.
Got my mask on to go up. There are the boys. Oh, the view up here is really nice. Look at that mountain range. Say hi to the babes. Thank you.
Hey, give me loves. All loves. Hey,
He's like, Mom's ear is the supreme ear. Oh my goodness, thank you for the nubbins. This is pretty funny. They have these different lookouts and each one's pointing to like Paris or Rome and stuff. This one's Eiffel Tower. I mean, Statue of Liberty. Lead the way, Jasper. We're enjoying the view of all the dogs playing. I don't know if you can see here, but there's a little tiny parrot. We have ring-necked parakeets here in Germany. We've been taking our sweet time on this trail and we've been at it for nearly 4 hours. It's a lot longer than we were planning originally, so we should have prepared a little bit better. We just finished our super long hike. Kenny, Sam, and Jasper signing out.